Hello friends, so in today's video we'll be making simple yet tasty delicious cow leg pepper soup. So it's so simple and quick. Watch till the end, do not skip. So in my pot is my already washed cow leg, properly washed. I'll add in my onion, seasoning cube and salt, adding enough water to cook, and then I'll add my Uyayak Idiom poid, and I'll cover this and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes you can tell your cow leg is properly cooked or it's soft when the bone is separating from the skin. Now I'm going to introduce my pepper mix, then I'll add crayfish powder, Peppersoup spice, and I also added seasoning cube. So at this point, taste to adjust. You want to make sure you season your cow leg very well. Yes, so it doesn't come out tasting bland at the end. Now I added salt because I tasted and I needed more salt. I'll add more water to cook for like 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, my pepper soup is ready. Now I'll add more crayfish powder, and then I'll add chopped habanero pepper and parsley. So parsley is what I had, so I had to make do with that. But at this point, if you have scent leaf or basil, you can add that, and it's going to take this pepper soup from 100 to 1000. So I covered and I let it simmer for 3 minutes, and voila, our pepper soup is ready. It's simple, very simple, yet tasty. Also, let me know, do you like your pepper soup thick or you like it watery, or is it runny? I don't know. For mine, I made it this way because I'm going to be pairing with white rice, and yes, it should be thick because I will not be using stew for this. Okay, so I paired with white rice. Let me know what drink you'll be pairing this combo with. What drink will go down with this combo? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.